Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make Kitkat Oreo milkshake. So let's start. Now I have taken 6 pieces of Kitkat. Break into pieces. I have taken 6 Oreo biscuits. Break into pieces. In the blending jar, add Oreo biscuit and Kitkat pieces. Now add 1 cup of chilled milk. Add 3 scoops of chocolate ice cream. Blend it well. For blending, take your parents' help. Pour it to the serving glass. Garnish with Kitkat pieces. Pour some Hershey's syrup. Now our yummy Kitkat Oreo milkshake is ready.